Istanbul, a city of contrasts, where East meets West, and ancient history blends with modern life. Among its many treasures, the Spice Bazaar stands out. A sensory journey awaits. Step inside and be transported. The air is thick with exotic aromas. A symphony of sounds surrounds you. The vibrant colors are a feast for the eyes. This is the magic of the Spice Bazaar. The Spice Bazaar whispers stories of a bygone era. Built in the 17th century, it was once part of the Grand Yeni Mosque complex. Its purpose? To generate revenue for the mosque. For centuries, traders from the East converged here. Spices, silks, and precious stones exchanged hands. The air buzzed with languages from distant lands. Today, the bazaar continues this legacy, a testament to Istanbul's rich trading history. A riot of colors greets you. Saffron, turmeric, and paprika form vibrant mounds. Dried fruits and nuts create a tapestry of textures. The aroma is intoxicating. Cinnamon, cloves, and cardamom mingle in the air. The sweet scent of Turkish delight tempts you. Rose water and pomegranate add a touch of floral freshness. Each breath is an adventure. The vendors are the heart and soul of the bazaar. Generations of families have passed down their trade. Their knowledge of spices is astounding. They can tell you the origin, the uses, even the history of each spice. Listen to their stories. They'll share their secrets for blending the perfect spice mix. They might even offer you a taste of Turkish delight. Their warmth and hospitality are infectious. Section 5. The heart of Istanbul's culinary heritage. Istanbul, a city that straddles two continents, is a melting pot of cultures, and nowhere is this more evident than in its culinary scene. At the heart of this vibrant food culture lies the Spice Bazaar, an iconic landmark that has been a hub of trade and gastronomy for centuries. The Spice Bazaar is a culinary paradise. As you walk through its bustling aisles, you're greeted by the rich aroma of spices from around the world. Each stall is a feast for the senses, with vibrant colors and intoxicating scents that promise a culinary adventure. It's a treasure trove of ingredients. From the familiar to the exotic, the bazaar offers a vast array of spices, herbs, and other culinary delights that are essential to Turkish cuisine. Here you can find everything from saffron and cinnamon to sumac and mint. Turkish cuisine is renowned for its bold flavors. The use of spices is integral to creating the rich, complex tastes that define the nation's dishes. Whether it's a hearty kebab, a delicate meze, or a sweet baklava, spices play a crucial role in elevating the flavors. And, many of these flavors originate here. The Spice Bazaar is not just a marketplace, it's a repository of culinary history and tradition. Generations of vendors have passed down their knowledge, ensuring that the art of spice blending remains alive and well. Spices like cumin, sumac, and mint are essential. These spices are the building blocks of many Turkish dishes, adding depth and complexity that are hard to replicate. Cumin brings a warm, earthy flavor, while sumac adds a tangy, citrusy note. Mint, on the other hand, provides a refreshing contrast. They add depth and complexity to Turkish dishes. The skillful use of spices is what sets Turkish cuisine apart, making it a favorite among food lovers worldwide. Each dish tells a story, a blend of flavors that reflect the country's rich cultural heritage. From street food to gourmet meals, the bazaar's influence is undeniable. Whether you're enjoying a simple simit from a street vendor or dining at a high-end restaurant, the spices from the bazaar are ever present, enhancing every bite. It's a testament to the city's love affair with food. Istanbul's Spice Bazaar is more than just a market. It's a symbol of the city's enduring passion for culinary excellence. Here, food is not just sustenance, it's a celebration of life, culture, and tradition. Section 6. Beyond the spices, treasures of the bazaar. The Spice Bazaar in Istanbul is a sensory overload, a place where the air is thick with the scent of exotic spices and the vibrant colors of the market stalls create a visual feast. But there's so much more to discover beyond the spices. While spices are the main attraction, the bazaar offers much more. As you wander through the bustling aisles, you'll find an array of goods that reflect the rich cultural tapestry of Turkey. The vendors, with their friendly smiles and animated gestures, invite you to explore their treasures. Shops overflow with colorful ceramics and lamps. These beautifully crafted items are not just souvenirs. They are pieces of art that tell a story of Turkish heritage and craftsmanship. Each ceramic piece, with its intricate designs and vibrant colors, is a testament to the skill of the artisans. Intricately woven carpets line the floors. These carpets are more than just floor coverings. They are woven narratives, each pattern and color representing a piece of Turkish history and tradition. Watching a vendor roll out a carpet is like witnessing a story unfold. Jewelry, scarves, and souvenirs beckon from every corner. The jewelry, with its sparkling gems and intricate designs, captures the essence of Turkish elegance. The scarves, made from the finest materials, offer a touch of luxury and a splash of color to any outfit. Don't be afraid to haggle. Bargaining is not just a transaction, it's a cultural experience. The vendors expect it and often enjoy the back-and-forth banter. It's a dance of words and gestures, a way to connect with the local culture. It's part of the experience. The satisfaction of reaching a mutually agreeable price is rewarding, and the handshake that follows is a symbol of respect and agreement. It's a moment of connection between buyer and seller. A smile and a bit of bargaining can go a long way. The friendly atmosphere of the bazaar makes the experience enjoyable. Whether you're buying a small trinket or a valuable piece of art, the interaction is as important as the purchase itself. You're sure to find a unique treasure to take home. Each item in the bazaar has a story, and by bringing it home, you carry a piece of that story with you. The Spice Bazaar is not just a market, it's a journey through the rich cultural heritage of Turkey. Section 7. A cultural tapestry, locals and travelers intertwined. The Spice Bazaar is a melting pot of cultures. Locals come here for their daily dose of spices. Tourists marvel at the sights and smells. It's a place where worlds collide. Languages blend, cameras click, and laughter fills the air. It's a reminder that despite our differences, we are all connected. A shared love for beauty, culture, and the art of bargaining. Section 8. The enduring allure of the Spice Bazaar. In a city teeming with historical landmarks, the Spice Bazaar holds its own. It's a testament to Istanbul's enduring spirit, a place where the past and present intertwine. It's more than just a market. It's a sensory experience, a journey through time, and a celebration of life's simple pleasures. Section 9. A sensory symphony to remember. The Spice Bazaar, a place where the air is thick with the aroma of exotic spices, is a feast for the senses. As you step out, the experience lingers, almost as if the market itself is reluctant to let you go. As you leave the Spice Bazaar, you carry its essence with you. The spices you hold in your hand are more than just ingredients. They are memories, encapsulated in small packets, ready to be released with a single whiff. The scents linger on your clothes. Each time you catch a hint of those spices, you're transported back to the bustling stalls, the vibrant colors, and the friendly faces of the vendors. The colors dance in your memory. The vivid reds, yellows, and oranges of the spices are like a painter's palette, each hue telling a story of its own. These colors are not just visual, they are emotional, evoking feelings of warmth and excitement. And the stories you've heard echo in your ears. The tales of ancient trade routes, the origins of the spices, and the personal anecdotes of the vendors all blend into a rich tapestry of history and culture. The Spice Bazaar is more than just a place. It's a feeling. It's a living, breathing entity that engages all your senses, making you feel alive and connected to a world beyond your own. A sensory symphony that will stay with you long after you've left. The sights, sounds, and smells create a harmonious blend that resonates within you. A melody that plays on in your mind. It's a reminder to savor life's simple pleasures. Whether it's a cup of tea infused with the spices you bought or a meal prepared with them, these small moments become special, imbued with the essence of the bazaar, and to embrace the beauty of different cultures. The Spice Bazaar is a melting pot of traditions, a place where diverse cultures come together, each adding its unique flavor to the mix. It's a celebration of humanity in all its vibrant diversity.